Oke guys, ketemu lagi dengan aku di Gepeng Mau Safi Channel. Dan kali ini aku nggak sendirian, aku bersama teman bule dari Australia, right?
Right.
Ya, nanti kita bakalan tanya-tanya ke dia tentang Indonesia, tentang apa yang disukai dan tidak dari Indonesia, dan macam-macam banyak hal yang akan kita tanyakan dan tentu itu akan menjadi menarik untuk kita bahas. Karena aku pun juga gak punya banyak kesempatan untuk bisa ngomong secara heart to heart ya dengan orang bule seperti Mary, dan dia pun tinggalnya di Australia, tidak tinggal di Indonesia. Jadi ini ada kesempatan buatku untuk ngobrol dengan Mary. So, nanti aku bakalan tanya banyak pertanyaan dan Mary bakalan menjawabnya untuk kita semua. Oke, bisa kita mulai, Mary?
Okay.
Oke, let's go. Oh no, I'm so nervous.
Don't be nervous.
I don't speak English well. I can speak English well.
Ya,
Ya.
saya tidak berbahasa Indonesia lancar. Jangan malu-malu kucing,
Oke, siap. Jangan malu-malu kucing. Oh no, Mary tahu. Jangan malu-malu kucing. Oke, first I will ask you, what's your name?
Nama saya Mary, Miss Mary.
Miss Mary, ya. Where are you from?
I'm from Brisbane, Australia.
Brisbane.
Kota Brisbane.
Yeah, Brisbane, Australia. Nearby Melbourne or Sydney or far?
Utara, far from Melbourne,
Oh,
far from Sydney.
Oh yeah.
Tetapi kalau agak saya tinggal di Melbourne.
Oh.
Cuaca di sana dingin sekali.
Cuaca di sana dingin sekali.
Saya tidak suka itu.
Tidak seperti Indonesia.
Ya.
Okay. How you meet Zakia and me for the first time?
For the first time, saya bertemu sama Mbak Zakia di UIN, Universitas Islam Negeri Maulana Malik Ibrahim
Yeah,
di
right.
Malang, 2014.
2014, yeah.
Yes, and then after I meet her, I met you the same year or after that. I think the same.
The same year. Oh yeah,
I
yeah.
think the
The same
same.
year.
I remember because you were driving us in your car.
Oh yeah.
It was the old car, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
right.
And then 2 years later, we saya kembali ke Indonesia, ke Malang, and we hang out again.
Okay, yeah, right.
And I
Okay.
meet with your mom and dad.
Ya, jadi Mary sempat datang ke rumahku, guys.
Mm.
Dan Mary datang lagi ke Indonesia waktu itu bersama dengan ibunya, bersama her mom. Dan aku mengantarnya untuk jalan-jalan, hangout. Dan kalau kalian tahu, aku sempat mengajaknya untuk berenang di sumber taman.
Yeah.
The place
Sumber
with
taman.
fresh
Yes,
water, ya.
Fresh water.
Yeah.
Karena saya merasa panas, terlalu panas, sedikit perut ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I feel so fresh there, so happy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dan kamu membeli gado-gado untuk saya.
Iya,
Thank you.
dan waktu itu aku membeli gado-gado dan Mary sangat suka gado-gado, guys. Dan anehnya Mary waktu itu sempat membawa alpukat dan dia minta garam. Dia minta garam di rumahku, guys. Jadi untuk informasi ya, Mary ini adalah orang Australia. So, sangat berbeda dengan kita Indonesia. Mereka makan alpukat tentu tidak dengan gula, tapi dengan garam.
Garam.
Ya.
Harus.
Wah, Mary.
Itu lebih enak. Sama gula dan coklat itu lu biasa tidak suka.
Oh no.
Wah.
For me, Indonesian people, for us ya, kita akan memakan alpukat dicampur we mix it with sugar.
No.
Oh, it's so delicious.
No.
No. Kapan-kapan kita harus coba jus alpukat with garam, guys.
No.
Okay. The next question. Where have you been in Indonesia?
Saya pernah ke Malang, Jogja,
Ya,
Jakarta,
ya.
Danau Toba.
Danau Toba, wow. Ya.
Saya mengajar bahasa Inggris di sana.
Oh ya.
Ya, sama anak kecil.
Ya.
Dan Makassar, Sulawesi,
Makassar, Sulawesi.
dan Bali.
Dan
Itu saja.
Bali. Oh ya, banyak, sudah cukup banyak itu.
Iya.
Because Indonesia is very wide, ya.
Yes.
Yeah. Not like in Europe. You can go Netherlands and then you can
Yes.
drive into Belgium,
Yes.
into France, yeah.
Yes.
But in Indonesia you must go to another island.
Yes. It's so far.
Yeah. And then do you like Indonesia?
Suka.
Suka. Oh no. Yay, suka. Why you like Indonesia?
Orang,
Ya, orang,
makanan,
makanan,
dan apa ya? Candi.
candi, ya,
Yeah,
temple.
Temple.
Ya.
Karena pada saya masih kecil,
Ya.
saya melihat foto about Candi Borobudur.
Borobudur in Yogyakarta,
Di
right?
Yogyakarta.
Ya.
And saya berpikir, oh, that is not real. That's like fairy tale for children.
Oh,
Yeah,
ya.
it's not a real place.
Hmm.
And then my teacher told me, oh yeah, it's a real place.
Yeah.
You can go there. So, my first time to Indonesia, I go to Borobudur. I touch Borobudur, and saya menangis
Oh no.
because I am in the magical place.
Yeah, magical place.
Mm.
Ya. Candi Borobudur ya.
It's my
And
favorite.
Candi Borobudur was menjadi one of 7 keajaiban dunia.
The biggest Buddhist temple.
Ya, and 7 keajaiban dunia. 7 of magical place in the world.
Oh, 7 wonders of the
La
world.
ya. That's I mean.
That's-
Ah.
Is
Orang
it true? I don't know that.
ya, tapi sekarang sudah tidak.
Oh, okay.
Because what we say patung,
Patung?
you know patung?
Belum tahu.
Patung is
Statue.
Statue.
Yeah,
Ah.
statue in Candi Borobudur, many
Ah.
statue in Borobudur temple
Udah.
fall
Oh,
and
they
lost,
fall.
yeah.
Oh.
So not original.
Oh.
When
Okay.
UNESCO membuang Candi Borobudur dari 7 wonder in the world.
Okay.
Ya. Paham ya? Kamu mengerti dengan apa yang saya katakan?
mengerti.
Okay, good. The next question. You said that kamu suka orang Indonesia.
Yeah.
Kenapa orang Indonesia?
Because always kind, ramah, and different, berbeda daripada orang di Australia. Orang Indonesia generous with time. Kalau saya, if I want help,
Ya.
Indonesian people will help me.
Oke.
Don't worry about time.
Ya.
They always take their time with me slowly, and I'm so happy about that.
Yeah.
Because so many times in Indonesia I feel confused or tersesat.
Ya.
They always help me, and the funny thing, I think Indonesian people are so lucu, funny,
Funny.
so funny.
Because
and
they always smile
always smile,
and tertawa. Life loving. Ya?
always loving, always loving, so caring, and I just learned about jam karet.
Oh,
Jam
jam karet.
Yes,
Ya.
tidak ada jam karet di Australia.
Iya.
So
Sangat tepat waktu, right?
yes, you have to. But here it's better for mental health, better to relax.
Ya.
But everyone is so kind to me. I really love Indonesian kindness.
Oke. So, next question is what the difference between Australia and Indonesia in the life in the
Okay. Maybe in the keluarga,
keluarga
when I am umur 18 tahun,
18 tahun.
it is normal, biasa, if I leave the home.
Oke,
Yes.
biasa meninggalkan rumah ya.
Yes. I go to university in another city or working in another city. Actually, when I am 18 years old, my parents say, "Mary, when will you go?"
Oh.
Go.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, but in Indonesia, the family stay together.
Ya, Mary, when you come home.
Ya, 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 ya.
Kebalikannya ya.
Ya, ya.
Jadi
Itu
kalau di
berbeda.
Australia kapan kamu pergi? Kalau di Indonesia kapan kamu pulang?
Ya, ya, ya.
Aku menunggumu di rumah. Seperti itu.
Yeah, the mindset in Australia is very individual.
Oh, individual.
Think about individual, but in Indonesia the mindset is about community,
Community,
family.
right? Ya,
Yeah.
betul sekali.
Yeah,
Ada lagi yang membedakan the different?
we're talking about yesterday
Ya,
when we're driving.
oke.
The Indonesia, when you leave one city to
Hmm.
go to the other city,
Ya,
I don't know when does this city finish and this
Okay.
city begins,
oke.
because there ada rumah, ada warung di mana-mana.
Oh ya, in Indonesia
In
ada rumah,
Indonesia.
ada warung di mana-mana.
Ya.
Jadi kemarin aku sempat ngobrol dengan Mary selama kita jalan-jalan di mobil, dan Mary itu ngomong kalau di Australia itu antara satu kota atau satu daerah dengan kota yang lain itu akan dipisahkan dengan kebun atau taman ya, yang itu tidak ada rumah atau warung. But in Indonesia dia merasa bingung, tidak tahu apakah ini sudah finish, apakah sudah di ujung kota dan pindah ke kota lain atau tidak, karena di Indonesia di mana-mana ada rumah, ada warung, ya, ada tempat-tempat seperti itu. Jadi tidak dipisahkan dengan tanah tertentu atau daerah tertentu antar kota. So in Australia, between city to city there is
Just the farm
ya,
atau hutan.
ya hutan.
Tidak ada toko
Ya,
atau rumah, tidak ada.
Oke. And in Australia, the farm is far from house, ya?
Yes, it's far from the house. We have the farm for sapi, for sheep,
Domba, ya.
domba. That is the most popular one, and
Oh,
it is so big. Maybe one house, and then you see farm for maybe 2 hours just farm.
wow.
Yeah.
But in Indonesia, you will see the house, and beside the house, kandang, ya.
Yes.
Kandang is the place for sapi.
Oh
For-
yes,
yeah.
next to the house. No,
Yeah.
no, no, no.
And you will smell.
Oh my God.
Aroma sapi, guys.
Aroma sapi. Ugh.
Yeah. And of course, this is not good. Yeah.
It's so funny for me.
We are sleeping and we smell aroma sapi. No. Oke guys, lanjut lagi. Next question. Makanan Indonesia yang sudah pernah kamu makan.
Okay, banyak.
Oh ya, sebutkan 5.
Okay, soto ayam,
Soto ayam,
rendang,
rendang daging ya,
rendang daging,
ya,
sate,
sate,
kambing dan ayam,
kambing dan ayam.
tidak kuda,
Oh iya, no
Oh.
kuda.
nasi goreng tapi that's usual,
Nasi goreng,
dan pisang goreng.
pisang goreng.
Suka.
Oke, ya.
Mm.
Most favorite food, Indonesian food,
Uh,
or three
Three,
most
three.
ya.
Oke, karena saya suka makanan yang manis,
Oke,
saya suka pisang goreng
pisang goreng,
dan buah rambutan.
rambutan, oh
Suka.
ya. Kamu
Tidak ada
suka?
rambutan di
Di Australia?
Tidak ada.
Di mana kamu makan rambutan?
The first time di Malang ada.
Malang ya, banyak di Malang. Oke, and
And apa ya? Martabak.
martabak, martabak manis,
Martabak manis.
Oke.
Karena di Australia tidak bisa makan keju sama coklat.
Di Australia tidak bisa makan keju sama coklat. So,
Dulu biasa.
yeah. So the cheese is for
Savory food. Untuk pizza,
oh,
pasta,
I see, yeah.
roti itu saja.
Yeah. But in Indonesia, you will eat keju with chocolate, with Oreo, with peanut, with jam. Yeah.
Yes.
We
That's
can mix
crazy.
it, and then we eat that all. Wow, beautiful taste. Ya, orang Indonesia bisa makan semuanya menjadi satu. Itulah kehebatan orang Indonesia, ya. Oke. So, you like rambutan, pisang goreng, and martabak
Yeah,
manis.
tidak suka durian.
Tidak suka durian. Why?
Because the smell is so bad.
No, Mary.
Sorry.
No, yeah. Tidak apa-apa. Every single person have a reason to not like durian, to not like that, ya.
Yes.
Kamu suka ini, tapi saya tidak suka.
Yes,
Kamu
okay.
tidak suka, tapi saya suka.
Yes,
Ya,
we are
itulah.
different.
Ya, we are different. Durian is most expensive fruit in Indonesia.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
For one durian
Yes.
ada yang harganya sampai 700 million. 700.000.
700,000.
Ya,
Really? That's
700.000.
mahal.
Ya, mahal sekali
Oh.
for one durian.
Oh.
Ya. Dan orang Indonesia mau membeli untuk makan durian itu.
Okay.
I don't know why, ya. And then bagaimana kamu melihat orang Indonesia they like to eat spicy food?
Oh yes. Yes.
For the first time you see, how do you feel? Surprising or
Takut.
takut? Iya, takut.
Nah, ada sambal with
Ah.
every food.
Yeah.
Ada sambal. And I try, but kalau saya makan sambal on the kiri, on left side,
Yeah.
then this side is merah and no feeling. It's like numb.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't like it.
Yeah.
But it's so spicy dan I told you saya takut pada saya melihat anak kecil makan cabai.
Oh ya, makan cabai langsung ya.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
But in Indonesia itu sudah biasa ya.
Yes.
Every day, every lunch, dinner, and breakfast, we need chili, we need
Chili.
sambal ya.
I think it makes Indonesian people so strong, makes them healthy.
Yeah.
But in Australia itu for bule luar biasa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe sometimes just little bit.
Ya, betul sekali. Oke.
Kecil sekali.
Oke, the next question.
Okay.
Favorite place in Indonesia? You can mention 3 maybe.
3.
Ya.
Where we go in Malang? The name? For swimming?
For swimming, Sumber Taman.
Sumber
Sumber Taman. Oh yeah?
Yes.
You like Sumber Taman?
Yes.
Okay.
Because I am so shocked when we go there because of the language you told me. We are going to the fountain. You said Mary, we will go to the fountain.
Oh yeah.
In Australia, the fountain is just like the statue with the water like this.
Oh, oke.
you-
Patung yang mengeluarkan air ya.
Yes.
Ya.
I think okay, we can go there.
Oke.
And then we finally arrived and bisa berenang di sana. Oh,
Yeah.
saya senang.
Okay.
Because saya merasa terlalu panas.
Ya.
I like that one. And it's Bali di sini is nice.
Yeah.
Dekat dari Ubud. Ada banyak hutan. And I like Jogja. as well.
Yogyakarta.
Yogyakarta.
Ya.
Yes.
Kamu tidak suka Jakarta?
Tidak suka.
Oke.
Terlalu
Because
banyak
panas
orang.
ya. Panas dan
Panas.
banyak orang ya.
Terlalu banyak orang. I don't like it.
Ya. How about Malang?
Yes, of
How
course.
do you feel?
Enak. I feel comfortable in Malang karena ada banyak universitas di sana,
Yeah,
ada
betul.
banyak mahasiswa dari
Yeah, right.
luar negeri.
Yeah.
So the people are so comfortable with me. If I go to Sumatra or Sulawesi, people are so shocked to see me.
Oh ya.
Always looking at me,
Ya.
want to take photo.
Foto ya.
But in Malang, people are comfortable there.
Oke. Oke, thank you. Oh ya, jadi Mary ini dia sangat pandai berenang guys ya. Dia bisa mengapung floating on the
yes.
water ya.
Bisa.
Dan itu aku nggak bisa ngelakuin itu dan Mary bisa dengan mudahnya dia tidur di atas air like this ya. Dia sangat hebat dalam berenang. Jadi dia suka ke tempat berenang guys. Dan kalian bisa mendengar suara jangkrik di sini
Yeah.
ya, mungkin agak sedikit mengganggu dan pasti masuk ke dalam mic ya. Ini we call jangkrik.
Jangkrik.
Ya, in Australia
Cicada.
cicada. Ya, jangkrik.
Jangkrik.
We will find it in forest, di pohon-pohon gini ya, itu banyak. Di Malang juga banyak seperti ini.
Oh, ya?
Ya, di belakang rumahku, in the village,
In the village.
of course ya.
It's so relaxing.
Ya. Oke. Bagaimana kamu memandang how do you apa pendapatmu boleh? What's your oh no, sorry guys, aku ngeblank banget. According to you,
Oh, yes?
how do you see men and women in Indonesia? Women banyak yang memakai kerudung, memakai pakaian panjang, ya. Dan bagaimana kamu melihat cowok di Indonesia? Apakah cowok di Indonesia itu menarik buat bule ataukah tidak, ya? Free for you. Jadi kamu bebas, ya, kamu bebas menjawab. Dan bagaimana perempuan Indonesia menurut orang Australia, ya?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's controversial.
No. No.
Okay. Saya berpikir itu menarik sekali dan
Yeah.
di Indonesia di agama Islam,
Oh ya.
the perempuan use the hijab,
Hijab, ya.
and I think it's so cantik. I think it's so
Cantik.
beautiful,
Ya.
and I want to learn about the salat, and I want to learn about the life for the woman and man. I know it's different. I know on hari Jumat, Friday,
Hari Jumat, ya.
for men,
Pray-
men go to
Ya,
masjid.
masjid.
Yes.
Untuk Jumatan.
Yes.
We call it Jumatan.
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 Yeah.
Yes.
Only for men.
Only for men.
Yeah.
That's interesting for me.
Yeah.
I think for women in Indonesia, they can be so independent, can become mahasiswa, can ride sepeda motor.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah.
But I still think the women, my friends in Indonesia who are women, still have the harder life.
Okay.
Yeah, because they still have to get married, have children,
Yeah.
and always depend on husband, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It's different for me, my family. It's very different.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a difficult opinion for me.
Okay, no problem, Mary. Yeah. This is different between us all in the world, ya.
Yeah.
Punya personality masing-masing, ya. Okay.
And also, I think the men are so polite to me.
Oh ya,
because-
sopan.
Sopan.
Ya.
They never say the rude thing to me. In Australia, the men will say really rude things.
Yeah.
Or they want to, if you go to the bar, they want to touch you.
Oh,
But
yeah.
here,
In
the
Indonesia,
men, they don't touch me.
yeah.
They're really polite to me. So I feel safe. Saya merasa aman sama laki-laki di Indonesia.
Oke.
Yes.
Dan kalau kalian tahu, waktu Mary datang ke rumahku bersama ibunya, ya. Jadi keluargaku lewat in front of Mary and her mom, and we do
Oh yeah.
like this, ya. Permisi. But kita membukukan badan seperti ini,
Yeah.
and her mom give us a question, why?
Kenapa ya?
Ya, kenapa orang Indonesia atau keluarga kamu kok melakukan seperti ini? Kemudian ayahku menjawab, it's kind of politeness. Ya,
Yeah.
di sana tidak ada ya, di Australia tidak ada. Oke. Ya, di Indonesia memang seperti itu, Mary. Ya.
I think it's good. In
Yeah.
Australia, I think we are very rude to our parents.
Oh no. Okay, let's go to educational question.
Okay.
Bagaimana menurut kamu bahasa Inggris yang diucapkan oleh orang Indonesia? Mungkin kamu bisa melihat saya berbicara. Of course, I cannot speak English well, like like you. No, because me Indonesian, ya.
Okay.
But do you can mengerti?
Bisa
Ya,
mengerti.
can you mengerti ya? Bisakah
Yeah.
kamu mengerti apa yang aku katakan
Yes.
dengan bahasa Inggris seperti ini ya, yang
Yes.
tentu banyak salahnya. Grammatical pasti banyak
Tidak
salahnya.
apa-apa. Ya, saya bisa mengerti. Saya suka berbicara campur-campur bahasa
Ya.
Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia.
Oh ya.
Karena saya mau belajar lagi. Ya.
Good. Berarti orang Indonesia tidak perlu malu, tidak perlu takut untuk speak English ya.
Jangan malu. You harus berani ya. Harus. And because if you make salah, if you make mistake, then you will learn.
Oh ya.
Yes.
Good. Right.
Of course. If you just read in the book, then you don't learn everything.
Ya.
Yes.
Practical is important ya.
Yes. Paling penting.
Paling
Yes.
penting ya.
You
Good.
have to.
Okay. Next. For Indonesian students, you have a tips for them to how to become good.
Hello.
Oh, ini anakku guys, dia muncul tiba-tiba. Oke, kita ikut podcast ini. Nah, sama ya, duduk. Hai. Hai.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera. Lele awas dia. Nah. Oke.
Okay.
Tips for Indonesian student to be
Okay.
good speaker English ya.
Yeah.
Ya.
You have to practice with any bule, even the tourists.
Oke.
It's good to practice. Jangan takut. Just try your best and try to take the English course.
Oke, English course.
Yes, I have so many friends from Malang who is an English teacher,
Oke.
and they have the English course. It's cheap. Itu murah ya.
Ya.
Yeah, you have to practice with the classmates. It's better. I think itu terlalu sulit if you study alone. I think so.
Yeah.
It's better to study with friends.
Oke.
Dan semangat ya. Semangat.
Semangat.
Don't give
ya.
up.
Ya, don't give
Dan
up.
menonton film, mendengar musik dari Australia, Inggris,
Yeah.
Amerika ya.
Itu akan membantu kita untuk vocabulary ya,
Yes.
kosakata bahasa Inggris.
Ya.
Oke guys, itu tadi pertanyaan terakhir dari aku buat Mary, dan I hope you enjoy ya podcast bersama Mary ini, dan semoga ini bisa memberikan banyak manfaat buat kalian. So aku ucapin terima kasih banyak buat kalian, dan Mary say thank you maybe.
Terima
or
kasih
say,
banyak
ya.
teman-teman.
Oke, semoga kita bisa bertemu lagi nanti suatu hari ya. Mary bisa datang kembali ke Indonesia, atau doakan aku bisa pergi ke Australia. Oke, thank you guys.
Thank you. Bye bye. It looks
Good.
like the water from river.
Ya. Mary bilang ini seperti air dari got guys.
Yeah.
Tafadol. Please. Tafadol is please in the Arabic language.
Oh,
Yeah, tafadol.
okay.
You can say tafadol.
Tafadol.
Yeah,
Tafadol.
good. Tafadol.
Nope.
No.